What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're gonna make a Copycat Panda Express black pepper chicken dish. We got some good ingredients, some good chicken that's been marinating, so let's check out that stuff and get it going. All right, so the recipe calls for chili vinegar, and I don't have any, and the store that I went to didn't have any, so I made my own with these kind of chilies and just boiled them in some white vinegar. Then we got 2 cups of sliced up onion, and then we got 2 cups of celery over here. We got 1 pound of chicken that's been marinating in this concoction, and I got all that stuff in the description, and I'll talk about that before I put it on. And then we're gonna throw a little bit of garlic in there, some more soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of fresh ground pepper. All right, we got this thing up to 400 degrees over here. Got some peanut oil. Spread that around. All right, that is good. Look at all that. All right, let's get this chicken on here. All right, so we got this chicken on, and this, let me tell you, this smells really good. I got some of that chili sauce or chili vinegar in there that I made. I got some ground ginger. What else is in there? Some soy sauce. It's making a mess on my griddle, by the way. But I mean, the way this smells, I ain't even mad at that. Oof. Yeah, and then I threw some, the recipe called for cornstarch to throw in there, 2 tablespoons of that. So yeah, we just got this stuff rolling right now. And I'm just gonna let this stuff cook up, and I'll bring you back when it's about ready and get these veggies going. So the chicken's pretty much done. So let's just get that. Oh, kind of slipped a little bit. Let's just get it all the chicken over here. Now, come on in and check out how I'm gonna clean this thing up real quick. All right, so the chicken's over here. We're looking good on that. We're still around 400 over here. So let's throw a little more peanut oil, like so, and let's get these veggies on. All right, now this recipe calls for the veggies to only cook for about a minute or so, but I know my wife doesn't like the veggies real crunchy, so I'm gonna leave it on for a little longer than that. I'm gonna throw a little bit of this minced garlic on there too. That's not in the recipe, but we like garlic, so let's throw a little bit of that on there. All right. Oh, baby, that's smelling good. Yeah, we got a nice char going on them veggies already. Yeah, I got this thing pretty hot. It's probably up to like 450 by now. It keeps going. All right, get some of that out of there. All right, boom. Now, it's been cooking for about 2 minutes now. So I'm just gonna let this go for maybe another minute or so. And then we're gonna mix it all and get our heat on. All right, it's been another minute. Ooh, baby. See, because Panda, on their dish, it is pretty crunchy. So I see why they do that, but yeah, we just like ours not quite as crunchy. So we got that going. Let's get this chicken back involved. Buddy. I was real skeptical of that sauce to cook the chicken in, but man, after smelling it, it is delicious. Well, it smells delicious. I haven't tasted it yet. Ooh, buddy. Boom. All right, let's get this into a pile. Got to add a couple more things real quick. Got a big old onion right here. There we go. Break it up. All right. Let's add. I need that. Oh, lost my spoon. We just need a little bit more of the chili vinegar. Spilling down the side there. Oh well. We're good, we're good. And then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. That's about 2 tablespoons. And the main ingredient, the pepper, black pepper. Boom. Man, you guys see this? I mean, it looks actually pretty close to what Panda has. Ooh, man, it smells so good. All right, dish this stuff up. Let's give this a try, because this looks so good. Ooh, my wife, we just threw some white rice on the stove real quick to make that. You've seen me do rice plenty of times, so let's just try this chicken. The hint of ginger, I like that. That is good. All right, let's get some of this other stuff. I want everything. Nice crunch on them. Not too crunchy, but enough that it's kind of similar to what Panda does. This is really, really good, actually. Man. That chicken is nice and tender. That's the way to do it. That is good. I don't know, I'm gonna just get in and eat my dinner, because I can go on all night about how good this is. But hey, we are giving a griddle away at 3,000 subscribers. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Please demolish that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Man, this thing is filthy. Should do a video on how to clean this, because this is going to be a good one. Anyways, thanks guys. Appreciate you coming along. We'll see you next time.